25 years ago, I started my business because I saw a lot of injustices going on, homeowners not getting what they paid for, employees not taken care of. I just saw this in our industry, and I really felt a call to raise the level of professionalism in our industry because homeowners need a company that they can trust to work on their most prized possessions, their home. I know it takes a lot to extend trust and to invite someone into your home, and just want to say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.